It's in that act of service to other people where I don't know about you, but that's where I feel like I'm the most happiest or where I'm the most fulfilled is when I have a chance to give to other people or when I have a chance to share with other people. Now, granted, I hear the little voice in the back of your head that's going, hey, what about those people that are out here taking advantage of me? That's transactional. If people are taking advantage of you, it's because you expected something in return. And so you weren't actually giving, you were transacting. You actually want to give, you have to give without expectation. Now, here's the tough part, right? So who gets to decide whether or not you're being taken advantage of? You do.
You,
You
yeah.
get to decide how much energy you want to pour out into people. And now here's what happens, okay? I'm going to give you an example. I met a young man in my career who was an aspiring rapper, and he really wanted to do real good in the world. He wanted to change the world, and I started working with him. I started helping him out, and eventually, I started to figure out that the story that he was telling himself was that he had to do all of these terrible things to be able to build street cred or whatever, to be this
Mhm.
image of the gangster that he was trying to portray in the music, and he couldn't say these things without actually being these things. And so the pathway that he was on was self-destruction for the purpose of making music. And I realized I couldn't support that. So at some point, I'm trying to help him. And this was back when I was still working for free. I'm trying to help him. I'm trying to help him. And he wasn't following a pathway that was in line with mine. And so I had to make a decision there. Do I keep
Mm.
following this pathway? Do I keep giving to this person who isn't using it for good? Or do I cut it off here and then I move somewhere else? Now, that part's really difficult when you have to start saying no to somebody, especially somebody you've built a relationship with, especially somebody you care about, especially somebody you love deeply. And so it's not, and here's a really important distinction to make, it's not about cutting people off with malice. It's not about cutting people off and punishing them. It's not about trying to teach them a lesson because they took advantage of you. It's about preservation of your energy. And if your energy is being poured into somebody who's holding a hand over their cup, why do you keep pouring into that person? You have no responsibility to continue to pour into somebody who's doing this with their cup.
Yeah.
Your responsibility, your God-given gift, the thing that you're here to do is to pour into somebody who's ready. And so some of you maybe in this room are ready, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to pour whatever I have into your cups. And if you're getting some of this and you're collecting it, awesome. Also, if it's overflowing and spilling all over the place, perfect. That's kind of the goal. And hopefully that'll be enough for you to now go out into the world and do something and kind of pour into other people's cups.